doing a trunnion upgrade real quick. Let's see if I can get you any closer to the action right here. So these are the last two I got left. I did all the other ones off camera, that way it didn't take forever. So I'm just pulling this out, and the trunnion is what we're going to replace, is this right here in the center. Because this right here, what'll happen is this will slip off like this, and then all these needle bearings will fall in your motor. There's a couple there. That'll ruin your day. So these trunnion upgrades are designed differently. They don't have you just press these bearings in. You got little needle bearings inside there, and then when you put the new trunnion on like this, and you put the snap ring on, there's no way that those bearings can get out, those needle bearings. So that's how that works. It's an improved design, just like that. So I got this little tool, put in the vise. It's got a magnet on the other side, makes it real easy. So you put the flat spot down. There's a flat spot on this side's rounded. So you put the flat spot like this, you put it in the vise. It comes with a little punch right here. Put it in the middle, pushes that bearing out. So we'll go over here, I'll show you. I'll show you how I've been doing it. So I set that on there. It makes it easy. You can do it with a couple sockets, but it's harder to do. So you just put that in there like that. And press this out. Just like that. Pressed it out. So now you can take that all apart. Keep the bearings together so that way they don't fall apart on us. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take one of these bearings like I showed you, and one side of the outside edge has writing on it, which is this side right here. You see that writing? So that goes towards the outside of the rocker, just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press that bearing in there. I'm gonna hold it to one side. Oops. Oh man, won't you know it? That's the first one I dropped. Damn it. At least it landed in the box. So, anyway, let's try this again. Can't believe I dropped one. That's the first time I dropped one. Must just be the camera making me nervous. So, I'm just gonna press that thing in there so it gets even. Just like that. Then I'm gonna put my new trunnion in there. Just like that. See how it sticks out? Just enough for the snap ring to go on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this washer on that side in a size just enough to get that thing the space we need. And then I'm gonna get another washer and another bearing to get it started right here in the vise. So lettering out, I get this thing pressed in there. So I'm just gonna get it started just like that. I back it out a couple of turns. Stick this washer in there. Get it going here pretty close to where we need it. And then just press it on the rest of the way. And then these washers allow you to press it all the way on tight like that and still allow the thing to have the proper gap. So got a little side to side yet, back and forth. Now we just put our C-clips on. We're all set. So I'll get those on real quick. See, that's why I did all these off camera, because it's like a process, you know. So now we gotta get this clip on there, which these are heavy duty, so sometimes they make you wrestle with them. You just gotta make sure that they're clipped on all the way. So there's one side. And then bam, here's the other side. Just clip that son of a gun right on there. So now, that's it. That's how you do a Trunnion upgrade. And they even give you some new bolts, 12-point bolts, and they send you with a socket. So shout out to Tooley Racing for all that shit they supply. I mean, I'd pay for it, of course, but I mean, they supply a good product. Like this right here makes it so much easier. So let's do this last one together. Make it a lot easier. You can do it one-handed even. Look, guys, no gloves. Got my hands all dirtied up. See, I've seen most of the time you guys get these upgrade when they got the Tooley double spring. They get the double spring upgrade like what I got. So, oops. Getting needle bearings all over the place. So, okay, so now what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go. Look at that. They gave you an extra bearing even. Isn't that nice of them? It's awesome. So now I'm gonna go over here, just in case you guys jack one up. They're like, oh, here's one to practice on, you guys. So set that up there like I wanted to do the first time. And I just go until it gets even with that edge right there. You don't want to crush the rocker. You just get it even, press it in. A little common sense goes a long way with doing this stuff. So now, like I said, now that you got this side pressed in, you go ahead and you drop it in. Boom. You get that heater. So now we're gonna put that washer on this side to hold that. Then we're gonna get our bearing and our washer. Go back over here to the vise. I'm just gonna start that in there. That way I ain't gotta hold all this all at once. I can just hold a few, a couple things instead of the 3 things. 2 things is a lot easier than 3. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing. Just get it in there until it hits the edges of the thing, and you're done. Now it should have a little side-to-side action, and like it's not gonna come out of there easily because you got to press those bearings back out. So that's in there. Those C clips or whatever you want to call them that you put on there is just extra insurance. So that's just extra insurance. They even send you extra of those, and those things are thick. They're thick, so they're gonna stay in there. They're hard to open, I can tell you that. So get this one on there. That's cool that they send you extra ones of these, because I've done these before where I've flung them across the garage. I'm like, oh man, you gotta go on a manhunt to go find them. So here's the last one. Get that bad boy on there. Oh, didn't go on all the way, so I'm just gonna push it. Push it on there. Ooh, pinched me. Gave me a little pinch. So now, got that one on there. Set it on there. Put our new one on. We're all set. Now we'll save this little tool for next time. Get all of our new rockers with our Trunnion upgrade up here. We ain't got to worry about those needle bearings going in our motor and ruining our day. Because look at that. Look at these little things. You wouldn't want those in your motor. You probably can't even see them from over there. But I showed you already. Look at that. Alright. That's Trunnion Upgrading 101. See you.